Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Sandy Springs Local and Long Distance Movers Near Me. When you're ready to move across state lines, we're here to help. Long distance moves can be extra stressful. With the right Sandy Springs movers, you won't have to worry. Along with basic moving services, we also offer all of the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Choosing to hire a local moving company in Georgia often makes quite a bit of sense. Whether you don't have the time to handle it yourself or you simply can't do all the heavy lifting, we're here to help. Our team will save you plenty of time, and you won't have to do any of the heavy lifting. With 3 movers helping you move, you won't have to worry. We make the entire process easier and help you get settled into your new home faster. Handling the move on your own could take days or even an entire week. Our team of local movers will get it all done in a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Sandy Springs moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.